Okay, final update. Here's the deal. It's not turning. It's got about a 70-foot run of cable going from the power station that powers the motor that is in that antenna, and it has a 300 milliwatt AC power supply. That's not going to make it that far. It was never meant to make it that far. So I'm going to come up with a power supply that is, it's 15 volts AC at, I think it's something between 1 and 3 amps. So I'm going to run that power up to it, and hopefully it'll make it up there, because as you see, there is no little red light on there. Let me see here. Come on, zoom, baby. There we go. Now, right on the left side is an LED. Right near the apex of the V is an LED. It's not lighting up because it's not making it all the way up to it. Now, also, there's some stations that we want to pick up. Let me show you something. Ham radio operator used to live here, and he left a lot of parts when he moved out, including that pole, which is just like the one that's up there now, and also a 10-foot whip antenna with a coaxial jack on the back of it. What I suggest do is right near that one, or hell, right there, wherever, somewhere, mount up that other pole. This one needs, the plan right now, put the new power supply on, get some cable to ground this pole out, and that's the plan for now. Ground this out and add new power supply. Hopefully nothing catches on fire. Magic smoke is bad. And then the next part of this is get that other pole, put it up here somewhere near it, put that 10-foot whip antenna, and it'll go about 6 feet taller than that. And that, I want to say, is about 16 feet tall. So, right as it is, right? And I don't know if you can see what I did there, but what we wanted to do, come on, good going, there we go. You got 2 pipes bound together with U-bolts, and we're ungrounded. That's dangerous. So you got a dirty signal coming in, and I want to clean up that signal by grounding it out some. And I was looking for a place to ground, and without putting a big copper stake in the ground, what can I do? Well, there's an air conditioner in the window right there. It's grounded. So I'm going to run a ground cable just right over there to the ground of it. And I'm going to tack it to the wall. And then we put on that other pipe sticking out right there. That's the idea. And then we see what we can pick up then. And oh, check it out. See over there? Dude's got digital TV. It don't work for nothing out here. That's the next door neighbor. Those things don't work hardly at all. You might as well just have the regular TV. Zoom back out. Okay. This thing's got like touch buttons. They're not real buttons. Still getting used to it. But that's the idea. Ground this to there. Add a new power supply, a 1 amp going up to it, because that light is not coming on. It's going to be dim anyway because it's not ultra bright. Nope. He just asked me, do you see the light? I'm like, not dead yet. No, just kidding. But the light's not coming on, so the juice is not making it up there. So as it is now, it's pretty much a passive antenna. The booster's not even working because there's not enough juice making it up to it. Anyway, that's the idea. Ground that out right there. Put a new power supply on it. And if y'all have any suggestions, let me know. And add a 10-foot whip somewhere along this wall, maybe in the front, near the front door, because that's where it was before, and splice into the signal going here. See if we can find something else. See if we can get something else going. Okay, so if you got any suggestions, write them in the comments, email me, whatever, send me a message. Thanks a lot. I'm going to see if this thing will stop recording now.